multiply with 100 and keep percentile symbol. So 1
Yes,
by
ma'am.
5
Yes,
into
ma'am.
100.
5
1
on
by
the 5.
Ma'am, what I did was, ma'am, like I did it within my mind only, ma'am. I did not need to do any formula, ma'am, because
Okay.
ma'am, 1
Yes,
by
ma'am,
5,
me too,
ma'am, we
ma'am.
can take 5 as a like 100%, ma'am, and like
Yes.
100 divided by 5 is equal to 20.
20% option A is correct. The
Yes,
second
ma'am.
bit is 20% of,
May I explain this question, Akash?
yeah, please mute your mic, Nana. 20% of X, 20% of X is 80.
Ma'am, 20x upon 100 is equals to 80. So 80 into 100 upon 20 is x.
X.
20% of X is 80. Then X is how much? Question mark.
Can I explain?
1 minute, Nana, just a minute. Let me do on the screen so that other students also. 20% of
Ma'am, Krishna Aditya is writing that he's changed his section from B to A.
okay, let it be. Krishna is little faster because he is in B section right now. Hello, Krishna. Krishna Ditya,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there? Am I audible to you, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Very welcome, my dear. There is one more tough competitor for you, children. He is also very good at math. 20% of X is 80. You need to find out the value of X. You need to find out the value of X.
Ma'am, easily we can do 80 into 5.
1 minute, Nana, just a minute.
Yes, ma'am, we can do it like 80 into 100 upon 20. 21 are 20, 40s are 40 into 100.
Namaste, ma. Yes, please. Shruti, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told the morning integers, ma'am.
Yes, Nana, morning.
So I did not.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, children, very simple question. 20% of X is 80. Just 20%.
And we can use transpose method.
Yes, 20% of
Yes, ma'am, 80 into 100 upon 20 is equals to x.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. 80 into 100 upon 20 is equal to
Ma'am, 21 are 24s
80 into
are
5, which
4
is
into
400.
100, which is 400.
Just cut
Yes,
the
ma'am.
zeros, ma'am, then do it, ma'am.
Yes, X is just 8,000 by 20. Cancel. 2 ones are to 400.
400.
X value is
400.
400.
next question. Let me see. The next question is, what is the next question we have? Next, third question, you see, children. Find the rate of discount when the MP is given, children. Market price is given as rupees 600. Discount as rupees 60. You need to find out a rate of discount. How much discount percentage you need to find out, children. What is the percentage of
Ma'am,
discount?
this question came 2 times, ma'am.
Ma'am, the selling price will be
Yes, ma'am.
540.
Yeah, market price is 600, Nana. Discount
Yes, ma'am.
60 is given means what is
Ma'am, that
selling price?
rupees became box there.
What is selling price? No need of discount percent means that's all. We enough for whatever discount happens on market price into 100. That's all. What is the formula, children? What
Selling
is
price equals to market price divided by discount.
discount percent is nothing but discount by market price or selling price?
Market price.
Mark
Very
price.
Mark
good.
price, ma'am.
Very good. Discount
60 by 600.
yes, what is discount given, Nana? 60 by 600.
60 by 600 into
10%
100.
answer.
Yes, correct. 10%. Discount percent is nothing but 10%. This is the way we can find out the discount when discount percent we can find out using. Okay, next question is
Ma'am, here we can directly tell no 60 is 10% of 600.
Oh, yes, like that only. Directly you can.
Yes, ma'am. I did that only, ma'am, in my mind, ma'am.
Okay, then good.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
72% of 25 students like math. Find out number of students who did not like mathematics.
Ma'am, 7.
7.
Then how you supposed to take here children?
28% do not like maths,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 28 upon 100 into
28% do
25.
not like it, ma'am. So 28 plus, I mean, 25 divided by, wait,
Yes. You just see here 28, 72% of 72% of how many students? 25
25.
like math. And the remaining means the remaining
Ma'am means
72.
28%.
100 minus 72, 28% of 25. 28, or else directly you can see children 28 by 100.
Ma'am, we can directly do it, ma'am. 72%
Yes,
of 25, ma'am. We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
find out.
28
And then
upon 4, which is
minus.
7. Ma'am, 7.
Yes, ma'am.
7 students
7
did
for
not
the
like.
28.
Who is that 7 students in our tuition? I make them to like.
Ma'am, there is
Ma'am.
not, ma'am, only 15 members are there, ma'am, not 7 members. Not,
Okay,
sir, not 25.
you love always maths children. Math makes
Yes, ma'am.
more thinking happens means each and every problem you can solve in your day-to-day life situations also.
And even in mostly in virtual, like while using computer also, we need a little bit knowledge of mathematics.
Yeah, not only that.
Ma'am, in
thinking-
each and every field, we need maths.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
math skills, life skills. No, math skills is.
Yes, ma'am. That's why it is called as mother subject.
Yeah. Math skills are life skills. So we need to survive means some skills we really need. Like math is one of the part. Next one, the price
Ma'am,
of
yesterday,
motor-
ma'am, I mean, ma'am, that's the reason, ma'am, many, ma'am, in my school, ma'am, one teacher, ma'am, she's a math teacher, ma'am. Instead of putting in her Gmail, I mean, her name in Gmail, ma'am, instead of putting in math teacher, she put it as mother teacher.
Okay. Okay. The price of motorcycle was rupees 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20% this year. 34%, 34,000 last year. It has increased 20% this year. The price of motorcycle was. So you can do in
40,800.
No, you can do two methods. No. Which one? 20% of 34 means 20 by 100. 340
Yes,
into
ma'am.
340 into 2. So
Ma'am, we can do
34
10% plus 10% also
like that also
here.
you can. Yes, you 340 plus 340, it's nothing but 680. You just add 680 or 6,080, 800. 6,800 you're supposed to add to your
Yes, ma'am.
34,000. Entrana,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Which
Ma'am,
is
it will be
40,800.
40,800.
yes, 40,800. Good. Next, a lamp was sold at rupees 315 after 10% loss of CP. You have to wisely think. So loss is happened. Sold selling price is given. Selling price is given. Loss is given 10%. That means what is cost price?
Ma'am, means we have to add the
Ma'am,
10%
90%
to
of
315.
XC
Cost price will
equals to
obviously be bigger
315.
than the selling price, then, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
loss is happened means selling price is less than cost price. So that what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
10% means here 31.50, right, Nana?
Ma'am, 315, ma'am.
Yeah, 3150, 31 rupees, 50 pice.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 31 rupees 50 paise.
So you have to subtract from 315, you have to subtract 31. Decimal subtraction, children, you are aware about decimal subtraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
315, you need to subtract 31.50. Come on, children, please.
Add the zero, ma'am. Zeros and all those.
Yes, you can add zero.
283.5.
Ma'am, 283.50.
Ma'am, 283.50, ma'am.
No, no.
283.50.
283.50. This is what price it is. It is. No, you have to add or subtract, children. Loss happens means you're supposed to add, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Add only, ma'am.
Why you are simply sleeping? That's why I'm doing. Who are no one is.
Ma'am, I thought, why will it come lesser than 315? Ma'am?
Loss means you have to add here, right?
Yes, ma'am. That
346.50. 346.50 means how much? What is the question is asking here?
10%, ma'am.
Oh. What is the question here?
Ma'am, the answer, yeah, whatever you're getting is wrong, ma'am.
No, what is the question they're asking? The lamp is sold for this amount.
Selling price is 315 and the loss over here is given in percentage, which is 10%, and then we have to find the cost price.
You need to find out cost price. Loss happen means more than you will get, right, children? Which option is correct here?
Yes, ma'am. CP should be bigger than the selling price, ma'am, because it's given as loss.
Okay, but there is no answer happens here. Which answer is true, children?
350, ma'am, is the answer, ma'am. I got.
No, it is
It's
sold as
350 only.
Yes, ma'am. 350 only will be the answer.
350 means there's a cost price is more. 350. 350
Yes,
then
ma'am.
means 35. It is 315. Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, it should be
Yes,
350,
ma'am.
ma'am, because the cost price should be more than 315.
No. If you take as a 350, if you take 10% of 350 means 35. 35 if you subtract
Ma'am, 315
Ma'am,
is
then
SP, ma'am.
315 only is
315
coming.
only sold price. Selling price is 315. So 350 is correct answer. How means? So then if you take
90% of X equals to 315.
Yes. In this, what is the question given there?
Ma'am, he said 10% loss, ma'am.
Yeah, SP is given, Mama.
Yes.
Selling price is given. SP is given as 315. Loss percent is given as 10%. Loss is 10%. Cost price you have to find out. We don't know. Suppose you need to 90% loss means 90% is 315. You need to find out 100%, right, Nana? 100%.
Yes, ma'am. 100.
Into 100 by 90. So here cut 0, 9. How many times?
Ma'am, so after discussing this, we'll learn like simple interest and compound interest.
Yes, Nana. Only one. There are few more questions we will discuss. Then we will go directly with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Because few students are absent for the test too. Or else this is one method you can find, or how much, how are you supposed to find out from your options, children? Your options are given differently. 350, 10% means what, children? 10% of 350.
35.
Yeah, 350. You can go like that also. So 35. If you subtract 35 from 350, what is your selling? 315. So which option we can go with option? This is one more method. You can anything.
Yes, ma'am. That's better, ma'am. At least we can do in our mind itself.
Yes. Next article is 1400 was sold and 105% loss. There is an article costing, cost price is 1400, sold at ASP is 1050. Obviously it is loss here. How much loss percentage means you have to subtract and do the CP. So 1050 means how much, Nana? 350. 350 divided by 1400 into 100. 350 divided by
1400.
yes. What is cost price given, children? 1400. Selling price is given as 1050. So what is the loss or gain? By seeing only loss or gain?
Loss.
Loss CP is greater than SP, it is loss. How you will get loss, children? Loss is nothing but CP minus SP. So
350 rupees loss is there.
1050, 350. So you have to find out L% loss percent.
Ma'am, 350.
Yes, 350 divided by cost.
1400.
Always loss or gain we are calculating on what? 7 twos are 750 times. So 25% is the loss percentage. 25%
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the 25% is the loss percentage.
175 by 7 is equal to 25.
Yes. Now next thing is convert 3.33% in a fraction. Convert 3 means fraction means divide with 100. Nana, divide with 100 means what happens?
Ma'am, 2 zeros so 3.33.
Then which option is correct here?
Ma'am, C.
Option?
C.
Yes, very good. Option C is
2%.
correct. Why? Because you need to get a decimal, 2 decimal places. If you cancel that, 3.33% only you will do. Find the ratio of 6 to 65. Rupees 600 in is to 60. 600 is to 60 means
10
1
by
times
1.
10 times. 10 is to 1.
10 is to 1.
10 is to 1. Next, a boy has bike whose cost price is 32,000 and sold it 45,000.
Ma'am?
What is profit?
Yes, ma'am. It is
No,
all.
profit means 1500. 15, no. It's 13,000. Profit percent means 13,000.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma, Jashmita.
Ma'am, for eighth one I wrote C, but then it gave me as wrong answer.
No, Jashmita, you see 33. 3.33% means 3.33 divided by 100, Nana. 3.33 divided by 100, how much?
Oh, okay, ma'am, now.
No, no.
Ma'am, now you see from this.
3.33 divided by 100. How we supposed to write this? How we supposed to write this? To remove this as we can take as a hundreds means we can multiply with 100 here too. Now it becomes 33 by denominator is 1 followed by 4 zeros. The option correct, Nana. Which option I'm not sure. Let me see. 333 divided by 10,000. 333 divided by 10,000. Option D is correct, Nana, not C. Option D is correct.
Now I understood.
Yeah. Okay. Only already decimal point is there. You just divide with 100. But in the option numerators, all are happening as a 333. So to make a 333, you just multiply both the sides with 100. You will get a 333 by 1000. Very good. Find the ratio of 6 to 65. Is this okay? The bike has it is also 13,000. Next, CP is rupees 80. SP is 120. So always profit 30 rupees. No, 40 rupees. 40 rupees profit. Profit percent means 40 by 80 into 100. 41s or 42s are 50% profit. No. 50% profit. Profit percent is which formula correction in here? Come on, which formula is correct for a profit percent?
Profit by CP into 100.
Profit, how you will get? Always SP minus CP.
SP minus CP by CP into 100.
Very good. Next one, CP is 8,000, SP is 5,000. Find the whether profit or loss.
I'm getting background noise from now.
Obviously, mute your mic.
Guys, I'm lost.
Obviously, mute your mic.
3,000 loss.
Yes, it's 8,000, 5,000. The selling price.
I'm 3,000 loss.
1000 loss.
No, 3,000 profit. No, loss. Sorry, loss. Loss 3,000 loss.
Yes, ma'am, it is loss.
Loss, correct. Next, 12% of 1200. 12 by 100 into 1200. 140.
It is 144.
Correct. Next,
144, ma'am.
what is the ratio of red apples to green apples? Red apples, how many are there? None of
Ma'am,
them.
7:3, ma'am.
4:3, ma'am.
4:3. 4:3.
Correct. Next, identify the correct option. Please mute your mic. There's a lot of disturbance, please.
Obviously,
Whose mic is that?
Navyasri, mute yourself.
Obviously, there is a lot of disturbance in the classroom, please.
Ma'am, I think she's not listening. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Identify the correct definition. Today also in my classroom, the one student kept music 10 minutes continuously. She is enjoying the music. But I'm worrying 10 minutes after I realized I called to first period teacher who is there in that first period. I just asked her to remove. But she continuously calling, also no responding. Not at all responding. She kept a high volume music in the classroom. Don't do that, children, please. Identify the correct definition for selling price. Selling price is selling price.
Market plus
minus
discount.
Correct. Market price minus discount. What would be the sale price of a bag marked as 300? Discount 20%. Nana.
Ma'am, 240, ma'am.
20%.
Discount will be 60.
Market price 20% of 300. 20 by 100 means 2 3s are 30. No, 60 kada Nana.
Ma'am, it will be
240.
240, right, ma'am?
240, right. Next 18th. Find the rate of discount.
Same
Rate
question,
of-
ma'am.
Yes.
Same as the third question.
Same question.
Okay. Next one. In a city, 30% females, 30% females, 40% male, remaining children. 30 plus 40.
30% children.
30% children.
Very good. The population increased 50%.
Ma'am, all these questions, ma'am, all these questions, it reminds me of, ma'am, like my 7th grade textbook, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The population of a place increased 54,000 in 2003 at 5% per annum. Find the population.
Ma'am, I did
Ma'am,
not
the same
understand
answer
this
I
question.
remember, ma'am. 45,000 in 7th grade also I remember, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
it
please-
was 54,000 in 2003. So in 2001, it is 10% less. So 54,000 minus 5,400.
5% means 540
Yes, ma'am.
half of
Well,
540, right?
5% per annum it is, and it is 2001. That means 2 years back. That is 10% less.
Very
So
good.
54,000
Per annum,
minus
ma'am. That's the
5,400.
reason we have to make it twice, ma'am, which is 10%.
Yes,
Convert a 0.85 into percent.
Ma'am, which is 85 upon 100, which is 85%.
85%, ma'am.
85%, ma'am.
2%, right. 0.85 into 100, 85%. Next, in market price, an article 1200.
Ma'am, 1200
discount,
minus 144, which
selling
is
price.
1056, ma'am.
12% of
Yes, ma'am, option A,
Yes, ma'am.
1056.
Yes,
1056.
ma'am, 1056.
a vendor losing selling price 4 oranges and 36 sorry. Vendor losses the selling price of 4 oranges on selling of 36 oranges. If he sells 36, he lost 4. What is the loss percentage?
10%.
Ma'am, 1 by 9 into 100. 4 by 36
36
into
means-
100.
No, a vendor loss selling 4 oranges.
25 by 2%.
Ma'am, loss equals to price of 4 oranges and cost price equals to
Total,
price of
4 out of
36
36
oranges.
into 100. Loss percent
Yes,
means
ma'am.
how
So
many
1 by
loss?
9 into
4 oranges.
100.
1 by 9 into 100 is nothing but 100 by
100 by
9. It
9.
is nothing but
B on
this
B.
is directly given. B is correct. Right.
10%.
Next, how much percent above the cost price should be shopkeeper mark his goods? So after allowing discount 25 on market and gains 20. One is you see children, how much percent above the cost price should be shopkeeper mark his goods, so that after allowing discount 25% of the market price, still he is gaining 20%. 20%. That means what you should do in this case, 24th bit. Nana, here one is how much percent above the cost price should be shopkeeper mark his goods, so that after allowing discount is given 25% on market price. That means still he is
I
gaining.
remember I got the overall answer as 40%, ma'am.
No, the question is here. How we supposed to do here? 20%. If he gave discount as 25%, still he is gaining 20%.
Even if he gave the discount, he is gaining 20%.
That means how much? What is how much percent above the cost price he is supposed to keep?
40.
Here 20, 25%. 25 means 20% is gaining. That means 120. Discount is given means discount
Ma'am,
is
40%, ma'am.
40% only. How you will get that 40?
Ma'am, because 20% is gaining means extra discount is of 5% and 25 plus 20 it is 45. We can subtract 45 minus 5 which can be 40 like that.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Sahu, please repeat that point. What you did in this case?
Ma'am is allowing the discount of 25% on the mark price and he is still gaining 20%.
75% on market price. He is gaining.
No, ma'am, 25% he is giving the discount and
Okay.
20% he is gaining.
Okay, that means.
Means, ma'am, there is a total, yes, ma'am, means there is a total loss in the discount of 5%. Means he needs to first increase the gain, means by 5%.
No, in this case,
Out of my brain, ma'am, I did not understand anything.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, see children, this is a really interesting question. Yes, Shreya Sattar, Shreyashi Sattar, are you there? Shreyashi. Yes, Shreyanshi, or the Shreyanshi or the Shreyashi?
I'm Shresi, ma'am.
Not Shreyashi, and one other student, some.
I'm
name is-
Shreya, I think, ma'am.
Shreya. Shreya, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. I think she's not.
Yeah, 20. Yes, she is there. Shreya, 24th bit, how you did?
Yeah, ma'am. 1 minute. Let me just open up that part where I had done the working, ma'am.
Okay. There is a how much percent above the cost price should be shopkeeper mark his goods, so after allowing a discount 25% on market price, he gains still 20%.
Ma'am, here
Ma'am,
we
what
can
if
also
we
do
put
like
the
keep
cost price
Ma'am.
100, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, same I was saying
Ma'am,
that we
can I
can
say
put the
something, ma'am?
rupees cost price.
Yes, suppose 100.
Yeah,
100
ma'am,
we
I
can
had
put the cost price and then the MP, I mean the mark price could be X, rupees X.
Okay, anything market price would suppose what is the statement we can take, Nana? We can take here, just a minute. The question is given like, what is the
Can I
discount?
remove that book, ma'am, in which I did that thing, ma'am?
Discount is
With that, ma'am, I'll tell
20%,
ma'am what I wrote.
25%. How much after discount also, how much he is gaining?
20%.
20%.
20%. What is the question here? How supposed to? Is how much percent above the cost price he should be? The shopkeeper should mark on the good. Yes, how much above percent he is supposed to mark on the goods?
Ma'am, we can try the options now that 40% we can mark on 140.
Okay, if you take as a 40%, no, Sahu. Procedure we supposed to know, right, Sahu? Discount means
No, ma'am, I'm saying like we can try the option.
Yeah, discount means no, Sahu. Discount percent is nothing but discount divided by cost price into
MP
Into 100.
100. Coming to gain percent, how much gain when he happens gain? Still gains as a 20%.
And gain after that. After
Ma'am, so
discount also
sold
is
price
20%,
plus
ma'am.
20% of sold price.
Gain
Ma'am, we can tell ma'am 100 plus 20%, ma'am.
Very
Because we
good.
took
100
selling
plus
price,
20.
cost price in normal as 100.
100.
So 100 plus 20%.
That means it's original 120%. Only 120%.
Yes, ma'am, 120%.
But discount is given as 25. Yes, discount is given
Yes, ma'am.
25. So 120 into 25 by 100. So how to check, children?
Ma'am, we took
Ones
the
are-
mark price as X, ma'am. We took the mark price as X, ma'am. So whatever discount, discount is 20%. So 20% of mark price,
Which
ma'am.
option is given, children, in our question? Which option is given? Is it given?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
90%
I
is
wrote in my notebook, ma'am. That only I'm telling, ma'am.
What you are writing, Tracy, here 120%, that's okay. Gain means it's 120. But discount is given 25%, right? 25 means we are taking on, we supposed to not take as 120. We have to supposed to take on 100 only. 100 means 25%, 4. 4 are
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
yes.
that, ma'am,
Ma'am,
I'm
so
not telling ma'am
25.
120 to take, ma'am. Take 20 only, ma'am, as the discount, ma'am. Take the discount as 20 only and into mark price. Mark price we took it as X.
No children.
So
Whatever
20 by
according
100
to,
into X.
listen. According to the question, discount is 25%, still gaining 20. That means discount after giving discount always we are taking as a cost price only. Then initially it is 100% if you take 25% of 100. How much, Nana? 25% of 100 is 25. So
Five.
25. Here 25. If you take 25 only, you'll get. How you suppose to till 20%?
Ma'am, in the YZAP, the answer is C, ma'am, which is 60%.
60 also, how we suppose to get? That's our doubt.
Ma'am, can you
I was
please go
saying
back to the
20, ma'am,
options
from that
once?
much time, ma'am. It should be 25, ma'am.
Sreshi, 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you please go back to the options once?
Yeah. There is a 40, there is a 50, there is.
Ma'am, I think the answer was 50% only, which I got.
Ma'am, but it is showing a 60%.
Ma'am, even I wrote 50%.
Yeah, ma'am, because like I tried it in a trial and error by using like 100 as the like cost price.
Ma'am, 100 as the cost price and mark price as the X, ma'am. Ma'am,
No,
I'll
no.
tell ma'am what I got, ma'am. I did it in my notebook, ma'am.
60% is given answer for this question.
Ma'am, so, ma'am,
We'll
can I
discuss
tell what I wrote, ma'am?
I'll discuss it tomorrow. I'll give this answer. Just a minute, even I forget. The things are there. One is profit. Still, the discount is given. Profit is happening. So, how we supposed to calculate that?
Ma'am, in the YZAP, it's given a 60%.
60% only correct.
Yeah, ma'am. I mean,
Yeah, 60% only correct answer. How you will
ma'am,
get?
I don't know, ma'am. I did it through trial and error. I didn't have an exact like.
Okay. 60% only, but I'm getting as a 30. Where 30? Even we supposed to add it any other things. I don't not sure. I will discuss tomorrow. 25. 26 in a factory, women 35% workers and rest are the workers are men. The number of men exceed women by 252. Find the ratio of number of workers to factory.
Ma'am, you missed the 25th question.
Oh, sorry. 25th is not okay. What price should be shopkeeper mark in article that cost rupees 600 gain 20% after following discount as 10%? See children, in this what price the shopkeeper marked on the article cost rupees 600 to gain 20%. To gain 20% means how much we supposed to write here children? Gain 20% means suppose market price if you take as an X, market price if you take as an X.
Ma'am, market price.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Yes, you take market price as X children, please. What price should be market price take as an X? Cost him rupees and against 20% means 20% of 120%.
ma'am, I think I have a possible explanation. May I tell, ma'am?
Which bit 25th or 24th?
Ma'am, 24th.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, there it is given that he is allowing a discount of 25%. So means the buyer has to give 75%.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So 75%, and in the last calculation we got 120.
Oh, yes.
Yes, ma'am. So yes, ma'am. So why we can take it as the mark price and 75% we got, so 75 upon 100 we will take it as 120.
Okay, we are equating to 120.
Yes, ma'am.
75. Okay. Then if you simplify, you are getting 60 or What answer you are getting?
Yes, ma'am, 60 we are getting, 60%.
Oh, let me see
And
that.
ma'am, in this, I took the 100 only as the CP.
Yes, nothing. Here, same thing only we are doing, right, Sahu?
Yes, ma'am. So 75, 5 upon 100 is equals to 120. Now 75 upon 100 into y. Why I took the.
Yeah, whatever the variable, 75% means 75 by 100 into whatever x is nothing but 120.
Yes, ma'am.
X is 120 into 100 by 75. So here 3 times, 4 times. 3 ones are 3. How many times, Nana? 3 fours are
340 is that.
40.
40. 160. Yeah, 160 means more 60. Yeah. 60.
Yes, ma'am. Like that. So 60%.
Yeah, maybe. That is true only, Safu. But we are, in this case, we are equating, not we are taking 100, but you're supposed to take as 75 only. Why? Because 25% is discount given, right? I will give tomorrow that
Yes, ma'am.
in detail the description for the question. Children, please think about the next question.
Ma'am, I got the next,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
I
for
got
the next question, ma'am.
40%, ma'am, for
So 40%
24%.
is absolutely wrong, Nana. 40% is absolutely wrong. It won't get 40%.
Ma'am, first I got 40, but now I think it is 60
No,
only.
it's actually what we are doing. We are thinking how much percent above the cost price should shopkeeper, whatever unknown thing you take as an X, children, how much percent, what the cost price you have to take as an X. Let me take that once again the part.
Ma'am, I got the answer for 25th question also, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. What is the discount given, Nana? Discount 25%. Still, how much gain he is happening?
20.
20%.
20%.
This is very important, Nana. First, you have to take as a cost price as 100. You just imagine it's a 100%. So discount means how much discount is given? 25. 25 means into 25% means you will get ones are fours are. 25% means what is the rest of the price? One minute. No, cost price if you take initially 75% remaining price. 75% of X is 120. Why? Because again, still he is gaining as 120. So 75 by 100 into X is 120. So X we take it as a 3 by 4. 3 by 4. And 120 by 4 by 3. It's nothing but 440 times. 4 fours are 160. So initially we are thinking as 100. More than increased. How much it is increased? 160. That means 60%. He should hype so that he is getting still 20% again. Okay. Unknown things take as X, children, so that you can get answer. In this 25th also same thing. What price you are supposed to mark as an article so that cost price you take as an X. Gain percent is 20. So 120% is nothing but equate to 600, children.
Ma'am, I got the answer for that, ma'am. I got the answer for that.
What is the answer? Still he is getting discount as allowing a discount of rupees 10%. After allowing discount of rupees 10%.
Ma'am, I got the answer is 800, ma'am. Can I tell the explanation?
Yes.
I mean the part.
If you take 800 as a cost price, so 20% means, no, it's market price, not a cost price. Market allowing
Yes,
the
ma'am. The
discount.
mark price, ma'am. Mark price should be 800.
Oh, okay, 800. Market price as 800 means discount is gain as 20%. Still he is gain as 20%. 20% of 800, how much, children? 160. 160.
160.
160. Till he is getting discount. After giving discount as 10% means you suppose.
Ma'am, this one, like 800 is the answer, ma'am. Can I explain how I got it and you can tell if it's correct?
Ma'am, I also got it, ma'am, in some way, ma'am. Can I tell that?
Yeah, 800. How you? That only we are thinking. My 800 if you take as a market price. If you take as a market price,
Yeah, ma'am, can I tell how I
My
got?
explanation. Oh, okay, okay.
Shreyashi,
Ma'am, you need to
Shreyashi,
know who to tell.
Shreyashi, mute your mic sometime, please. Shreya.
Yeah, ma'am, I got this because like in 800, if you see, if it's the mark price, then first we need to talk about the discount because it said the discount
20%,
before.
10%,
So 10% of the discount of
80,
800 would be 80. So we
80.
get 720. But
Okay.
he said that it cost him 600. So 720 minus 600 is 120.
120.
And when we see that 120 out of 600 is 20% only. So the shopkeeper got a gain of 20% also, even after allowing a discount of 10%.
Okay, the basic, you just go with options, 800 option is correct. You just trial and error method. Yes, is it true? What is the
Ma'am, I did a long formula for that, ma'am.
No, it is correct only. First, if you're supposed to take a cost price, a market price as 800, discount is given as 10%. Allowing discount means 800, 10% means 80 rupees. 80.
Yes, ma'am, in 760 he needs to pay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, gain percent is given, ma'am. So we can find the gain, ma'am. How much gain, ma'am? The gain percent is given, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why not gain percent. You're supposed to find out the market price of an article. You
No,
have
ma'am, by going with gain, ma'am. First finding the gain from the gain percent, ma'am. What I
yes,
did,
no,
ma'am, can I tell,
that
ma'am,
only.
ma'am?
720 after subtracting 80 from 800, you will get a 720. So still he is gaining 20% means 20% of 720 is 120. Exactly correct. It's true, ma.
Ma'am, then 600 is the actual price, no, ma'am.
Yes. Market price is 800. 10% is
Ma'am,
given.
can you explain how?
Which one? 25th one?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
explanation,
25th.
ma'am. I have an explanation, ma'am.
25th, yes. What are
Ma'am, I
the
want to tell, ma'am.
what are the conditions given? Market price we don't know. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. That is what we have to find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Discount percent is given as 10%.
10%, ma'am.
Still gaining how much?
Gain is of 20%.
20%.
20%. Now
Cost
what
price
is
is 600 rupees.
after discount again? Still he is gaining 600. What is the condition given? That amount you just see, children. What is the condition?
Still,
given?
he's gaining 20%, ma'am.
No. Gaining is still he is gaining 20%. What?
After allowing a discount of 10%.
What? No. What price should a shopkeeper mark an article that cost rupees 600 to gain 20%? After allowing discount of 10%. First, you have to take discount to 10%, children. If you take with a trial and error 800, if you go with directly, 10% of this means we are going to take as a 80. 10% means 80 rupees you are
Yes,
taking.
ma'am, 80.
And now you're supposed to
Ma'am,
take.
there is no procedure for this.
Procedure is there, ma'am. We didn't complete that part yet. We have. 1% is gain and somewhere the discount is still
Ma'am,
happening.
I'll tell that, ma'am, please, ma'am. That whole formula, ma'am.
Yes, please tell right now. Shreyashi.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Enthusiastically shouting, please tell right now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the gain percent is given. Ma'am, we can find the gain by writing the cost price is 600. Gain we can tell it as 600 into 20 by 100 because 20% is there.
Okay.
600 into 20 by 100, which is equal to 120.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, the formula for selling price is selling price will be profit plus cost price. Yes, ma'am. Profit plus cost price, which is gain plus cost price. So this SP over here.
Yes, ma'am. 120 plus 80 plus 600, 800.
Still 10% gain.
10% means 18, no, ma'am.
80. If you add that, you will get 800.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Okay, ma'am.
right? This is also correct, but you can directly go with the option means directly as Shreya said, 800 10% means 80. You have to reduce a 720. 720, if you take a 20% gain means absolutely it is cost of 600.
Ma'am, we have now got that 10% of x is equal to rupees 720. Then 10 into x by 100 equals to 7. Ma'am, what
20.
did I do, ma'am?
Right.
90 x by 100 is equal to 720. 720 into 100 by 90 is equal to 800.
Why we are taking 90% equal to 720?
Ma'am, because ma'am,
Ma'am, because
10% of x
10%
we
is
got is a 720, ma'am.
Discount
ma'am.
is given as 10%, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 10% of x is equal to 720.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. We get the answer 90x.
A really interesting question, Steven. I think we didn't complete this part, right?
Ma'am, did the app make these questions?
Next one. What is the last one? 26 more 3 questions are there. We'll discuss completely. In a factory, women are 35%. Women are 35% of all workers, and the rest of the workers are being men. That means how many men? 65%. Men exceeds women by 252. That means men is 65%, 35.
Ma'am, 35x upon 100 is equals to 65x upon 100 plus. Sorry, ma'am. 65x upon 100 is equals to 35x.
Ma'am, 35% of 100 is plus 252 is equal to 65%.
Anything. You can make a equation children here. You can make equation here. 35% are women, men are rest of them, and these are exceeds by 252. You just we did the same variety of question in our simple equation part also. Yes or no, children? Simple equations we did some questions, some coins questions. You have denominations. And one more thing, it is given as what is the conditions given? Men and women. Women percent is given as 35%. Rest all are
5%.
men. How many men here?
65.
65%.
Equal to 35%.
Women to men exceeds how much? How many?
252.
252, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So difference between, can we go with the difference of those two percentages, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So 30% equals to 252.
Yeah, directly we will go with the difference of 35 to 65. What is the difference between these two?
30%.
Yes,
30
ma'am.
kadamma? Yes, 30% equal to 250 means what is the question is asking about total number of employees or the women employees or men employees? What conditions
Men.
are asking?
Ma'am, total employees we need to find.
So that 100% you have to find out, children.
Yes, ma'am.
You just find out 100%. Exceeds means you
Ma'am,
need
so
to take a difference.
30x by 100 equals to 252.
100% you have to find out into 100 by 30. So simplify here. 30 is sorry.
Ma'am, the value of x comes. Ma'am, means I did it like 252 into 100 upon 30, which comes 840.
Yes, correct. In that way also it is correct. 840 employees, 840 workers are there.
Yes, ma'am.
In that you can whatever the question is asking about male or women also there you can supposed to find according to the question. Once you know exceeds means the difference between we supposed to take. Exceeds are the word is asking about one awarded with 25 rupees, another one awarded with 35. Some like questions are there. Next, Ayesha announced a festival discount 25% on all the items in her mobile phones shop. Ramadeep got a mobile phone for his mom. He got a discount of rupees 1960. What is the market price of the mobile phone?
Ma'am, means 1960 is equal to 25% of 100.
What is the question, Nana? Discount, yes, announce discount percentage given.
Ma'am, 25% is equal to 1960.
Yeah, 25% equal to 1960. You need to find out the market price, right? Market price means 125% or 100% you're supposed to find out, Nana. Which one you should find out?
120.
125 or 100%? Let me. 25% is nothing but 1960. What is the question is asking? What is the market price?
Ma'am, the mark price is 7. No.
No, you just think here, Nana.
Ma'am,
25% discount. Discount is nothing but 1960. You need to find out 100%
Yes,
or
ma'am. It is 7840, ma'am.
you need to
7840.
find out 100% or 125%. That's my
Ma'am,
question.
100%, ma'am. We can take it like 1960 into 100 upon 25, which comes 7840.
You just make it a 125%. How much, please let me know quickly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
125.
Ma'am, he bought the mobile phone for 75%. Ma'am.
Ma'am, so 1960 equals to 25x by 100.
Yes, ma'am. Then we can make it, ma'am, 1960 into 100 upon 25.
Yes, that's correct only, children.
7840, ma'am. We need to find out the mark price, which is the 100%.
100%.
Yes, ma'am. So original price.
No
that,
need of yes, correct only, children.
Without
The
discount.
discount means 75%. That
Ma'am,
means
7840 is the answer.
correct, children. C option is only correct. But you need to find out if the question is asked about what is the cost price means. You have to they're asking about market price. That's why you are going to find out 100%. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if the question is asking about what is cost price of cost price means you have to subtract whatever market price minus whatever discount is given. You just subtract, you will get. Next, Radhika brought a car rupees 25 lakhs or 2 lakhs 5,000.
Ma'am, 2,50,000.
The next year its price was decreased 10%. Then 10% means 25,000. What is the price now? 25,000 decreases means in 2 lakhs.
Ma'am, 225000.
That's all. Which one?
Yes,
First?
ma'am, 225,000.
And next, there is a 29 cost of pair of socket in the shop was rupees 450. The sale charge at 5%. Find the bill amount. Yesterday we did the sale charge. The sale tax means you need to add or subtract, children, in bill amount.
Add.
Add.
Yeah, you just find out 5% of our 45, half of 45, and 22.50. 22.50. You just add
We
to
need to add.
450. Yeah, you just add to 450. It's nothing but
Ma'am, so
Excuse me, ma'am.
472.50.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a class now, so may I leave?
Yes, Sahu. Next, in a class of 45 students, 40% are girls. Find the number of boys.
60%.
60%. 60% of 45. 60% of 45.
Ma'am, 27.
That's all. Those are the number
Ma'am,
of.
may I leave?
Yes, you can leave. You can leave. That's all, children. Next class we will discuss about simple interest and compound interest, even in sale tax also. But you have to focus such a questions like 24th and 25th questions. We didn't discuss actually this type of questions. We have further. We'll go with that. Don't worry, children. Okay. Right, Nana. That's all. We'll discuss in next class the other part. Yeah. Simple interest and compound interest and sale tax.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Have a good day.
Right, children. Please.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day,
Many
ma'am.
students did not complete the test. Please, why I suppose to want to reason, children. I can see only 7 to 8 students are completed test.
Ma'am, the WhatsApp was not opening for me, ma'am.
Okay, you just put a Rahul sir message. You're supposed to take the help of Rahul sir, right, Nana?
Ma'am, I called Rahul sir, but he says he will check and didn't update to me anything, ma'am.
Okay, Pallav, I will correct your paper, Pallav. I didn't correct yesterday. I'm little busy. So I'll correct and update with you. Okay, right, then bye. Yes, children, shall we end up meet?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, Nana. Bye.